Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing video wherein I'll be unboxing my biggest PR package which I received from the brand called Renee Cosmetics. Look at this big PR box. So they've launched their foundation, concealers and like full base products. So they reached out to me regarding that and I thought कि वो वही सब भेजेंगे मुझे. But to my surprise, I have received this big PR box जिसके अंदर 3 boxes हैं. Also guys, this is a non-sponsored video. I wasn't paid to talk about these products. Just wanted to see and show you guys how the products perform and everything, like the first impressions. और unbox करके मुझे आपको दिखाना था. So yeah, that's what we are doing in today's video. In the first box we have these lashes. I've got 3 lashes, and then I have the full range of their face and eye brushes. We wanted to show you these lashes. Especially want to talk to you guys about this style called Sasha. Beautiful style, and I remember ये मैंने जब eyelashes लगाना start किया था and I was looking for lashes जो बहुत ज़्यादा over the top नहीं हो. The first brand that I used was this style Sasha from Renee Cosmetics. I have the other 2 styles. So this is called Keepa Champion, which is a weird name, but yeah, I think this is for heavier looks. And then we have this style. So this is what the fan brush looks like. This is how the powder brush looks, and the bristles are really soft. Look at this quality, very nice. First box may we have brushes and eyelashes, and let's see what we have in the second box. Whoa. So we have the face products. I have their illuminating primer, and then I have their face gloss. This is what the illuminating primer looks like, and let me quickly show you the texture. So this is more like for Sali Elixir, उसके जैसा ही packaging है इसकी, and this is, as they say, is India's very first face gloss for glassy dewy skin, and it comes with a dropper. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys can see, the face gloss has golden sheen and it's very hydrating, very dewy, and you can definitely get glass skin. And I think this primer works well as a pore filling primer. It says it's a illuminating primer, but उतना ज़्यादा इसमें sheen नहीं है. It's like a basic primer with a hint of sheen. Next we have their foundation. So they've sent me both the ranges they have for foundation, which is the foundation stick, and also this is the liquid foundation in the shade Creamy Latte. It matches me perfectly. So the stick foundation comes with a 2-in-1 brush applicator, and then we have the stick here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very much like the Maybelline Fit Me, but छोटे size में है थोड़ा सा उससे. So this is the swatch for the liquid foundation. I have this feeling कि foundation बहुत अच्छे से work करेगा. I think better than the stick foundation मेरे लिए. तो yeah, really looking forward to trying this out. Alright guys, so the next product I have is their compact. Then they also have sent in their powders, loose powders, and I have the translucent one, and then I have a darker shade. This is what the compact looks like. This is the lightest shade that they have, so I called for this shade. This full coverage, weightless, oil free. और loose powders के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी, इतने प्यारा translucent powder है. I think बिल्कुल लॉरा मर्सिया का dupe की तरह आप बिल्कुल यूज़ कर सकते हो इसको. इसकी पैकेजिंग भी मिनी लॉरा मर्सिया जैसी है. And this is how it looks from inside. And yeah, it's finely matte, weightless, अच्छी बहुत अच्छी coverage देता है. Shade is called nude beige. This is what the shade looks like. I have this concealer, and this is what it looks from inside. बहुत अच्छी packaging है. Let me give you a swatch. This is how it looks. So this is a highlighting shade for me. मेरे dark circles cover नहीं करेगा, but it will surely highlight the areas that I want to highlight. Full coverage, matte finish है. So that was the second box, and now we have the fun box here. Let me show you. Alright, so this is what we have in the third box. Very colorful. I think we have the lippies, we have the lip and cheek tints, we have the blush, liner, kajal, then I have the eyeshadow palette as well. So many products, and guys, nothing gives me happiness like these big PR boxes do. I wanted to talk to you guys about these two products from Mama Earth. I have the Leaves of Clarity one with neem and salicylic acid, which is great if you have acne prone skin. This works really well if you want clearer skin, so this helps with your dark spots, pigmentation and everything. And then I have the Roots of Radiance Essence Serum, which has ashwagandha and turmeric. This helps give you radiant skin, and both of these products have hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydration and moisturization. And this is what the product looks like. It comes with a dropper, and I'm applying the Roots of Radiance Essence Serum. Take a few drops. This is perfect, especially for summers, because this is a water-based product, and look at this glow on my face. My face is already glowing. It's really light, it's not tacky or greasy, it's a quick absorbing formula, and yeah, my skin feels really nice. It's made up of all 100% natural ingredients. Mamaearth is an Indian brand which is plastic positive, which means it cycles more plastic than it uses, and then it also has this Plants Goods initiative wherein if you buy from them, they link your order to a tree that they plant. So yeah, they also have these great initiatives. So I think you should definitely check this product out, and you can always use my discount coupon code, which is Arshiya2022 for 20% off at mama.in. You can shop this from Amazon, Nykaa, their official website, and they have their app as well, Mamaearth app, wherein you will get early access to discounts and offers. So yeah, definitely check this out. So we'll start with the eyeshadow palette. This is called the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette. So we have some warm shades here. Very nice. The pigmentation is really good. Let me show you the face palette as well, which is the Peachy Pink Blush Duo. This is a corally pink, and then we have the plummy pink shade. We have a little bit of the sheen. बिल्कुल properly matte नहीं है, थोड़ा सा sheen है इसमें. Let's move on to the lip and cheek tints. So this is what it looks from inside, and this is the shade Pandora Pink. I'm sure ये बहुत creamy और dewy होंगे. That's called Red Romance. And then we have the lip colors. One is called Love of Lavender, and then we have the range of red lip color. This is a very beautiful muted pink shade. The beautiful shade, as you can see on my lips, और ये matte texture है इसका, and it doesn't have any fragrance. It's fragrance free. It's enriched with vitamin E and shea butter, and it's long lasting. Then we have the Fab 3-in-1 highlighter. Have the 3-in-1 highlighter, so it has cream blush, then the highlighter which I broke already, bronzer shade. और celebrity makeup look करना है तो उसके लिए I think ये अच्छे चलेंगे, but normally नहीं चलेंगे. If you have great skin, तब आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. बिल्कुल लाइट आपको हाइलाइटर चाहिए, लाइट ब्रोंज़र चाहिए, बट अगर आपको कट्स वगैरह चाहिए, प्रॉपर डायमेंशन चाहिए फेस पे, अच्छी पिगमेंटेड ब्लश या कुछ चाहिए, तो ये आई वॉन्ट सजेस्ट इट. यू हैव द 3-in-1 आई शैडो. अगेन इसमें ये 3 शेड्स हैं, और मैं जल्दी इन सब की वीडियो बनाऊंगी, सो डोंट वरी गाइज. एंड देन वी हैव द पीएच स्टिक, वो जो ब्लैक स्टिक है इनकी. फील अगर आपको कुछ लेना है इसका, since I have all the products, तो अगर आप कुछ प्लान करें लेने का, and if you want me to properly like suggest you guys आप ये लो या नहीं, तो आप मुझे कभी भी just drop me a DM, और आप मुझे YouTube पे भी मैसेज कर सकते हो. So this is the pH stick. So I have these 2 liquid liners. So these are metallic liners जो मैंने बिल्कुल अभी realize किया. So this is in the shade Emerald, and this is in the shade Blue. That's the blue liner. Looks very pretty, और one swipe application है. So this one is broken. This is the green one. And what else? Okay, we have these 2 cute lip glosses in the shade red, and then we have the Pakara peach lip gloss. I've heard great things about their glosses, so I'm very excited to show you guys. I pretty much like the gloss. I think it's beautiful. इसमें fragrance नहीं है, और ये मुझे greasy भी नहीं लग रहा है, and I think it gives a really nice glossy look to my lips. So yeah, I think the matte lipsticks, this lip gloss, the translucent powders, the metallic liners as well. I think आप ये तो आँख बंद करके ले सकते हो. I think it's a very good product to be kept in your bag when you're going out. बहुत बस आप इसको डालो and you can quickly look presentable. जल्दी से थोड़ी सी eyes पे कर लिया, यहाँ कर लिया, तो उस हिसाब से ये अच्छा है. अगर आपको उस पर्पज़ के लिए चाहिए तो आप ले लो. क्रीम हाइलाइटर या वो सब देख रहे हो, प्लेस ऑफ दैट यू विल गो फॉर दिस. I won't suggest you guys to do that. So yeah, that was me unboxing one of my PR packages. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know how do you guys like it and what products you are looking forward to buy. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'm gonna see you next time.